Welcome back to Planes, Trains, and Boats Online. We are currently just getting on to the Interstate 69 just outside of Port Huron, Michigan. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Remember, like and subscribe to this channel to find out more interesting things. Hope everybody's having a great day. I just started mine as of 2 minutes ago. I stayed at the rest area just in Port Huron, just across the border. I crossed last night, and we are on our way to Wisconsin. Getting to be that time of the year. Leaves are starting to turn color and fall off, and that white stuff's going to come along, and that's not going to be fun. Here, I'll fix the camera so it doesn't look like you're looking sideways. There, close enough. This is the rain and all that from that hurricane that came down around Florida and took out Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina. That big storm, this is part of it. It's now reached us, but as you can see, it's just light mist, a little bit of rain, and that's it. That's kind of a bonus of where I live. It's once in a while we'll get a tornado, once in a while, once in a blue moon, I guess you could say. Sit back, get your favorite drink, get your favorite snack, and watch the beautiful scenery. That is one thing I do like about the fall time. The only thing that I like about the fall time is the color of the trees. And man, are they changing really quickly. I get back from this trip, I got a doctor's appointment, a couple of doctor's appointments on the 2nd, and then close up my trailer, I guess, for the winter time. But that's not going to be all, because we are still going to go to places and get more stuff. We're just not going to be able to use the plumbing and all that stuff in the trailer. But we're still going to use the trailer. We have a 21-foot Jayco J-Flight featherweight trailer. And single axle. We do have a slide out. We do have one slide out. Really nice little trailer. We customized it already. It's a 22. I bought it in 23, and yeah, no one had bought it before. Like, I was the first owner, still the first owner, and we've customized it a little bit. Taking out the jackknife couch. I put 2 recliner chairs in there. Then we took the top bunk of the trailer and we cut it down to 3/4 off. Took 3/4 of it out. and now it's a nice little shelf. We gotta get a wall unit up there, a TV on the wall for the other person that's going to be laying in the single bed. There used to be a top bunk. There used to be bunk beds. So we gotta get that done, and that's pretty much all was going to end up happening this year. So exciting, I tell you, exciting. Videos for you guys, ladies and gentlemen and children and anybody else that's watching this. Okay, even dogs and cats, I guess so. Have seen so far these videos that we are making for this channel now, people are liking it, so we're going to keep on doing them. Now leave a comment down below if you want to keep on hearing me talk, or you just want to hear the sound of the engine of the truck. Unfortunately, it gets boring after a while if you just hear the engine. Like, for instance, listen. After a while, it just gets old, right? I have my foot right to the floor, not through the floor, but to the floor. Pedals down as far as you can go. Truck only goes 65 mile an hour or 105 kilometers. And so this is as fast as we're going to be able to go. I have 549 miles to get to my destination, and I gotta be there for tomorrow morning. Let me see for sure what time my first delivery is. I gotta find the information now. Hold on. Oh, here it is. 8 o'clock tomorrow morning is my first destination. And then my second one, so I got 2 drops. My second one is anywhere between 10 and 10:30. In the morning I have, oh, no, yeah, that's 10 to 10:30. 102 miles from where my last delivery, my first delivery, is my last delivery, and I have to be there for anywhere between 10 and 10:30. So I only have a half-hour span. So I have 8, 9. I got 2.5 hours for these guys to get a whole lot of skids. I got a whole lot of skids in the back of the trailer. And then I gotta make it 102 miles down the road to my last delivery to deliver 2 skids of organic grain. So, it'll be fun, fun, fun. And then after that, I gotta, either they find me a load, like right away, tomorrow, or I'm on my way home. I have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, this is Sunday. You may say, oh, that's 3 days away. Yeah, that's 3 days away, but it's 9 o'clock in the morning my appointment is.
watch the next episode, the next video.
might see more of Michigan. More than likely you will. Anyways, hope you like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you had a good time. And I am still curious. Let me know what season of the year you like. What's your favorite? Leave a comment down below on why. Anyways, with that, I'm going to leave you be. Have yourself a fantastic day. Be safe out there. Talk to you later.